This is the best working strategy that is completely free and is the #1 go-to for anyone who is thinking on how to start getting your first clients online as a freelancer. I'm going to share with you a real case story of something that I have actually implemented and it's working for me. And remember, this is our second video on our freelancer pro guide where I'm actually showing you how to start making money as a freelancer. So if you're a newbie, make sure that you go watch this video and share 5 gigs that you can offer and start making money with 0 skills. So all you need to do is just watch this video to the end, and without wasting much of your time, and in simple terms, cold emailing in particular is the process of you creating a connection. That means you are sending an email to a company or to a personality who has no prior contact with you. You have never had a connection with this person. You are sending an email to that person to build a relationship. Many people get too confused between sending cold emails and actually spamming. Spamming is when you just send random emails, bulk emails to make a sale without having contact with that person. But here we're trying to build a meaningful connection, and when that person actually accepts our connection, we can offer our service, we can sell our product. So YouTube is a very powerful resource that you can start using today, and the good thing about it is that YouTube has over 2.5 billion users as at the end of 2022 and over 15 million channels. So the good thing about YouTube channels is that YouTube channels have more than 5 services that you can offer to a particular YouTube channel. You can either be a thumbnail designer, a scriptwriter, an SEO agent, or you can be someone that just knows how to make the YouTube channel work so well. So what you need to do is actually search for these channels. Let me just say for the keyword affiliate marketing, let me say I want to offer a service related to SEO. I've searched for the keyword affiliate marketing. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and I'm going to see videos that are trying to rank for this keyword. So this video here is right at the bottom. You just need to scroll to the bottom and see videos that are far below, and you reach out to this person, telling the person that you can make his or her videos to rank higher on YouTube. And to contact that person is very easy. What you need to do now is come over to the channel's name, like on this my channel here, go to the about section of that channel. So once you're on the about section, there's this position here where they say view email address. You just need to click on view email address, and now you see you have access to this person's email, and you can repeat this process for many other channels. So you just need to search for these channels, get many of them. You see that the channel is not well optimized, see that the channel's thumbnails are not good, you see the channel is not ranking high. So you just need to go ahead and copy these emails, and this is for one channel. You can go ahead and do this for 10, 15 to 20 channels, put their email together, and that's the first strategy that you can use to start getting target emails. So another strategy which you can use to get target emails is by using Google. So on Google itself, it is very easy for you to start getting target emails. So what you need to do is just come over to Google. I'm going to clear this off, and I'm going to put inverted commas. So I'm going to search, let me say I want to offer a service related to SEO. Okay, that's just an example, and it's going to vary with you. Maybe if you know how to take care of pets, or you know how to teach people English, or you know I want to teach people French, or generally any service that you're offering on your freelance platform, you just need to come here. I'm going to put SEO, and I'm going to put inverted commas, and I'm going to put another inverted comma again, and I'm going to write gmail.com. So once I put this and I click on enter, Google is going to show me all sites that has to do with SEO and having the email at gmail.com. So as you can see here, if you look closely, you're going to see that Google has actually showed us many emails. So you are going to receive this, repeat the same process. If you want emails at Hotmail, at any email that you need, what you need to do is just click on Control A on your keyboard, copy all this text. Yes, copy everything that has to show on that page. And this amazing tool here, edgesupertools.com, is the best email extraction tool. So what you need to do is come over to this tool and paste them here. Pasted it here, and once this pasted, I can now go and click on get data. So when you click on get data, it's going to go ahead and analyze all the text, the random text, and everything we have copied from Google. It's going to separate all the emails and extract them from that text. And as you can see, you have more than already 20 emails here that you can start sending requests and start making applications to. So this is already 2 methods. And another important way that you can do to get clients on Google, on the internet, is going to different websites. So I'm going to open this website, and once I open that website, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of that website. Remember, every footer of a website, not even only on the footer, they always have a contact email, or they have a contact us page. So you go to the bottom of the person's website, and as you can see at the bottom here, let's go, you're going to see a contact email. So look at, so as you can see, this is an email. These are agentscoffin.com. so as you can see, this is another email here. Go ahead, copy this email and put them in the notepad. So you're going to repeat the same process. This is just an example that you can actually use. I've actually told you to go to YouTube, search on Google direct search and enter every website, a particular website that is in your niche. Now we have the different emails. I know you're going to be wondering, like, how am I going to send these emails? How am I going to reach out to these people? Because sending multiple emails is going to require an email marketing tool, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 free resources you can use. The first, which is one of the best, is system.io. System.io is actually very good because system.io helps you to build an email marketing system. So you can actually send scheduled campaigns, you can actually build landing pages, and you can actually do so much. So I actually made a full video showing how to use SEO, how to use system.io, and I'm going to link it here, also put in the description if you are interested in using system.io. But on the other hand, we also have another powerful tool which is called Gmail. And the best part about Gmail is that you can actually link it directly to your Gmail account. So let's say you are using your Gmail to send these emails. All you need to do is come over to gmail.com. I'm also going to be putting a link to this website in the description and click on add to Gmail. So once I've added it to Gmail, one thing I'm going to recommend is that before starting to send these emails, it's good that you can go ahead and get a professional email. And the reason I recommend a professional email, or a business email, not a professional email, a business email, because it's going to make you look professional. So let's say you have an email like siri@doubletick.com, or you have an email like business siri@yourbusinessname.com. That's just the idea of how to get a business email. So an email that does not have naturally the Gmail or the Yahoo or just the Hotmail that everybody knows. So try to make it personalized so that if you have your professional email and you have a portfolio, before sending emails, make sure you have a portfolio. And portfolio can either be an Instagram account where you post your designs, it can be a website that you have actually built, and there are many tools here. Like I also created a video about card that can help you to build a free portfolio. It can help you to build a free website. I'm going to be tagging it up here and linking it in the description. So you can actually use these tools to build your portfolio. So you can use Instagram, you can use your Facebook, or you can use your Twitter. So you know, frequently posting on Twitter, just posting on Instagram is a good portfolio if you are actually sharing value content. So once you have actually set up all these things, I can now go to Gmail now. Okay, here it is still loading, and as you can see, if I want to send those emails, you are seeing Gmail. So Gmail is actually indicating here, showing that you can send a Gmail, not actually just send. We're going to send Gmail, so it's going to send mass emails to multiple people without notifying the individual users that this email was sent to many people. The email you're going to send now is what is going to count, is what is going to determine if they are going to accept you to work or not. So this tool here, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually write emails, and I've actually put some of them in a Word document, which I'm also going to be linking in the description. So guys, please go around, check those links which I'm going to put in there. They are very important. So these are emails that I've actually sent to people. These are emails that were able to work for me. Like as you see, I sent to that person and they needed my service. So you can go ahead, copy these emails, customize them, and send them to your own customers, send them to your own clients, and they are going to respond to you ASAP. They're going to respond to you, and definitely they're going to start getting clients. So trust me guys, this method is somehow very tedious at the start, but you're going to discover that if you're someone who is very serious and you want to really start getting clients, you discover that it is so simple. It's very easy. So get your emails, send them the emails, and a tool like ChatGPT is a very good option if you want to start writing the best emails. You just need to give it a prompt, write an email for freelancer requesting to offer his service, and ChatGPT, boom, is going to generate for you a long email that you can just copy and send it to your clients. So that's how to get the emails, and that's how to send the emails, guys. If you actually have any worry related to anything that I've explained in this video, drop a comment and I'm going to be explaining to you in detail. So the last method which I'm going to be sharing here is a gold mine, and it's a secret, like kind of reverse engineering Fiverr, which you are going to enjoy so much. So what you need to do, I'm going to explain it just very short. Go over to Fiverr, search for the keyword related to your service. So if you're actually doing thumbnail design, you search for thumbnail design. The gigs are ranking at the top. These people are making so much money and they have so many clients. So you can go ahead and get clients from these people who are ranking from top. I'm just going to click on this gig, and when you click on this gig, you see that people are going to give reviews related to the service that he or she previously offered. The gig, you scroll to the bottom of that gig, you're going to see that people are giving reviews. So as you can see, the reviews actually have images. So what you need to do is actually get any of those images, right click on them and open with Google. So you're actually trying to search for the channel that was requesting for this thumbnail on Google, and Google is going to show you that channel in just a minute. So this is just a strategy. Go to any gig, check for reviews. If it's actually writing an article, go ahead, take the image of the article that was written, use Google Lens, copy the text and search for it. You're going to see the website that actually requested for the article. completely. And you can go ahead and request to that website or request to that YouTube channel, telling them that you do thumbnail design, you do article this at this rate, and definitely the person will need to come back to Fiverr again to pay for that service, but the person will need to contact you to get that service. So let me show you that this method actually works. I'm just going to go ahead and search for that image on Google. So once you search for that particular keyword and you search for that particular image, you can decide to search for the keyword that is found on the thumbnail, or you can decide to search for the image. As you can see, this is the YouTube channel, Sundays with Tish. This is it here, Sundays with Tish and Sundays with Tish. So what you need to do is open this YouTube channel, go to the about section and send an email. So that's about this video. I've actually shared with you so many methods that you can use to get emails, and I've shared you tools that can help you to send these emails, and I also give you an additional trick that you can use to send emails. So my name is Siri and this is Double Tick, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and that is going to show that you really appreciate the content I'm creating here. And drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video or videos you are going to want me to create in the future. So that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Ciao.